So we're driving from Beijing to Paris. We're going through 12 countries. We're traveling nearly 15,000 kilometers. We've done about a third of that to date. We're just leaving China. We've had a very welcoming experience in China. Everyone's been very friendly. We've enjoyed the roads, we've enjoyed the scenery, and we've enjoyed meeting the people in China.
I have to say, seeing your country was incredible. The infrastructure is so big, so strong. All the infrastructure for routes, for energy, for plants is so much going ahead and fast that we are really surprised that it is so good. So we're happy to be here and have done this trip in your country.
It is our absolute joy to discover parts of China that not everybody gets to see. And as I said, the friendliness has been really remarkable. We bring along with us 30 different nationalities, all of whom are appreciating the welcoming that has to offer. Whether we're in the desert or whether in city centers, it is all fantastic.
I am for the first time in China. It's really impressive the way the Chinese people are dealing with everything. So much nice countryside, so friendly infrastructure. We saw magnificent